National Bird Day is celebrated annually on January 5th to raise awareness about the conservation, protection, and appreciation of birds worldwide. This day aims to highlight the importance of birds in our ecosystems and the threats they face, such as habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade. The holiday was established by bird activists and advocates, including Born Free USA, in the United States. It serves as a reminder of the significance of birds in our lives and ecosystems, emphasizing the need to protect their habitats and ensure their well-being. On National Bird Day, various events, educational programs, birdwatching activities, and conservation initiatives are organized to encourage people of all ages to learn about different bird species, their habitats, and the importance of bird conservation. It's a day to appreciate the beauty, diversity, and contributions of birds to our planet and to take action in preserving their existence for future generations. Thank you for watching this video. For more video, please like and subscribe our channel.